In our last video, we configured the file browser on our TrueNAS SCALE system, but many users faced an issue with incorrect credentials in the latest version of the TrueNAS system. So today, we will install it again on the latest version and go deeper into it. Hello, and welcome to Installer Guru, where we make installation easy for you. FileBrowser is a free, open-source, self-hosted web application for managing files and folders in the simplest way. Today, we will install FileBrowser on our TrueNAS SCALE version 25.04.2.3. First, we will log in to our TrueNAS system. Here, you can see I have two disks mirroring each other. Now, I have one pool, and in this pool, we will create a dataset called apps. This dataset is used for application files only. Make sure the dataset preset is selected as apps. Next, we will create an SMB share. For that, we will create a test share dataset with the SMB dataset preset selected, and we will set a 50 GB quota for this share dataset. You can see it will automatically give you a pop-up to start the SMB services. We will click on Start Services. In the System menu, if you go to the Service Settings, you can see TrueNAS has successfully enabled the SMB services, and it is in running status. You can also check from the Shares menu that the share drive is running with the selected dataset. Now, we will go to the Credentials menu and select User Settings, where we will create a new user for the SMB share drive. Please make sure that you have selected the correct dataset for this. Now, in the test share dataset, you can see the newly created user has the required permission. Now press Windows +R and you will get the Run dialog box. Here, you need to enter the server IP address along with 2 backslashes. Now, enter the username and password you created earlier. As you can see, I am able to access my shared folder and also able to create files. For this demo, I am uploading some video files into it. Next, we will create another dataset for the FileBrowser application. We will first select the apps dataset and click Add Dataset. Here, we will create another dataset for the FileBrowser application data with the apps preset permission. Then, we will create another dataset for the FileBrowser data storage in the same way. Next, we will go to the Apps menu, search for the FileBrowser application, and click Install. Here, you need to select the settings and path as per the datasets we have created. Do not change anything in the Users and Groups configuration section. In the Host IPs section, you can choose the NAS server IP if you want to access it from outside, or you can leave it blank if it's within the local environment. Now choose the storage configuration. Here, you need to select the correct dataset. For the application configuration file, I chose the FileBrowser dataset, and for the storage, I chose the FileBrowser dataset. In the mount path, you just need to enter the dataset name as it is. Finally, we are ready for the installation. Click Install, and it will take some time to complete and run on your TrueNAS system. You can see my FileBrowser application is running. In the container section, you will find the log option. Click on it and hit Connect. Now, you will see the first-time usable admin password. Please note this password, as it is used for the first login. Change it immediately after the first use. Now, if I open the FileBrowser application IP in the browser, you can see the login screen appear. Here, I need to enter the username as admin and the password shown in the log viewer. Now I am able to use the application with the dataset we created earlier. As you can see, I am able to upload files into that dataset seamlessly. In the Settings option, go to the User Management tab. Here, you need to create another user with administrator permissions and log in with the new admin user. Now, we will disable the default administrator user's permissions completely so that no one can use it for security reasons. Do not delete the default admin account. Next, we will add the shared folder to this application. To do that, we need to edit the application in our TrueNAS system. Just go to Edit and navigate to the Storage section. Add another storage entry, but this time choose the SMB/CIFS share mount volume. In the mount path, type the share name, in my case it is test share, and in the server section, put the IP address. In the path section, again type the same share name. In the username and password fields, enter the credentials of the user created earlier for this share. Now, hit the Update button. Come back to the FileBrowser application and refresh it. You can now see I am able to access my shared drive inside the FileBrowser application. Now, I can upload and view any file from that shared drive, and I can also copy any item from the share path to my other data folder seamlessly. As you can see, if I delete anything from the normal share window, it automatically updates in the FileBrowser application instantly. Now, I can not only add a shared drive from the same NAS system, but I can also add SMB share paths from other servers into my FileBrowser application in the same way. You just need to edit the application and add the share path along with the server IP and user credentials. As you can see, I am able to access my media share drive in the FileBrowser application seamlessly. That's all for now. If you still face any issues, please let us know in the comments. And for more tech videos, don't forget to hit the like button.